Okay, I'm coming out here to cut off my water, and I gotta pull this up like this in order to get it off. See what I need to do. Let's see. Alright. Pull it up. Oh boy. Look at that. Thing is full of water. Guess I need to contact the water company because that don't look good. Alright. Looks like my coupling joint has gone bad and needs replacing. So it's a weekend, so I have to contact the water company on Monday and get them out here to change this out. Okay, this is day 2. I contacted Metro Water Services this morning and I let them know that I've got a leak coming from my water meter. So I'm gonna get a close up. Yeah, it's still leaking. I can look at it and tell right here it's coming from the edge right here. So I'm waiting for them to get here. Okay, I contacted the Metro Water Services and they came out a couple of days after I reported it because I noticed the leak on a holiday weekend. It's 4th of July holiday. So they came out and repaired it. They repaired the OCL. So I'm going to go over here and pull up the top and check and see what they repaired.